So you must have came across this new trend, and you're pretty familiar with it, I know. The trend is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the new trending thing. So you must have came across this new trend of like using different AIs for your different works. And we have to admit that artificial intelligence is the next big thing. And when we talk about AI, there is one pre-notion question that we all have. Will AI take our jobs, or will AI take over humanity? Can't answer will AI take over humanity or not, but one thing can be answered. Will AI replace us at our jobs? And to understand this deep question, keep watching the video. I'm sure you have watched tons of video about this topic, but this video will be the only answer you need. Why it is the most relevant time to talk about will AI take our jobs? So recently you must have came across the new OpenAI tools and various AI tools that are available on internet, like Dall E, the legendary Chat GPT, which can write codes, make scripts, write songs, and do your assignments and pretty insane stuff. By the looks of it, it seems like it will take away jobs of scriptwriters, coders, and many other professions which involve writing and stuff. But have you ever thought how this works and from where AI gets this all information? Here's how AI works. AI is just an algorithm which is made intelligent based on our own data. Let's take Dall E as an example. So you enter your statement to generate an image. What Dall E AI does, it has huge database of keywords and images, and it just combines those to form what you have entered. For example, you have entered a picture of dog holding a baseball ball, and Dall E just throws random outputs just in matter of time. So what it had done, scanned its available database and it combined all of it to generate images. And that's how AI works. It has a database, it scans that database and generate random yet meaningful outputs. And that's how AI works. AI runs on your data. Like you have seen, there's one more example, like YouTube and Instagram feeds are based on your past history. Your past watch history is your data. The algorithm does its work, AI does its work, and it produces and it recommends you videos and posts which are similar to your interests. Let's talk about one more AI which is insanely trending right now. You all know it, you all love it, and obviously I'm talking about the Chat GPT. When you see the wonders of Chat GPT, you feel like it's the next big thing. It's gonna replace a lot of jobs like writing scripts, writing codes, writing simple codes, doing your college assignments, and much more thing. Chat GPT is just like a personal assistant who can fetch out any kind of information for you, who can do your homework, who can do your assignments, who can write simple codes for you. And they are pretty useful, but sometimes they are wrong too. The Chat GPT is just not perfect yet, so we can't just assume that it will literally take away all our jobs in just a fluke. It's gonna take time, and no one can tell if it's really gonna take our jobs or not. But we shouldn't forget, AIs are getting powerful and they can do a lot of stuff better than us. After all these things you have just heard, you might be feeling a little confused at this video is about will AI replace you at your jobs or not, because the possibilities of your job going away are soaring high and no one can deny it. So finally, now I'm going to conclude all of this and you all will understand this nicely. See, all the AIs we just talked about, they all are in their early phases and no one can tell how long they will take to get in their perfect shape. Okay, to tell you how imperfect they are right now, when you see outputs of Chat GPT and Dall E, there are some mistakes or randomness you see in them. Like in Dall E, it just produces It sometimes produces humans with 4 fingers, sometimes the eye is misplaced, sometimes nose is misplaced. And yeah, the chat GPT is no exception. It also produces pretty wrong output many times. There are few little mistakes here and there, and it doesn't know what's right or what's wrong. It's just scanning the data, doing work on it, and producing the output. If you get better at what you do and you became the best at it, there's absolutely no one who can replace you. Think about it like this: if you are the best artist in the world, no AI can produce as good images as you do, because you have made that image from here. And that image is not 100% based on some random data that's been already there for a long time. We can produce original stuff. And obviously, being inspired from somewhere is not a bad thing. So think it like this: if you do best and if you upskill yourself to the point where you are unbeatable, where you are like expert of your field, neither AI nor humans gonna replace you if you are best at what you do. And if we think of current scenario, the only way AI poses threat to your job is by these means. A person who is able to use AI to their advantage in their jobs will definitely replace you. Not the AI, but the person who is using AI to their advantage will definitely take away your job if you are not that well skilled. The thing which we can learn from this: future. It's highly uncertain that AI will replace us at our jobs or AI will take away all the jobs. It's kind of difficult. It's gonna take time. But till then, we have to learn to use AIs to our advantage. And how can we become more productive using AI, and how can we use them to our advantage? Man, I guess this is the most informative and best video I have ever made. Yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope AI will not take away it. And I hope AI won't replace you at your jobs. So all the best, keep upscaling yourself and share this video as much as you can, because I know this is good. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.